There's nice steps here just going up to a flat area between what we call Temple Rock, which we'll explain when you come around. I just want to show you here there's a bamboo planted. Yeah, goes all the way up, but if I get a bit closer you'll be able to see the leaves. And if I just come down here, we'll just have a quick look through. Oh, nice steps here, and just a bit more planting down to where the swimming pool is. Let's come down a little bit further. Now you can see the swimming pool through here. Some nice large trees in the background.